This headmaster had lost its pressure in its dome, so therefore it was never bypassing at all at low ambient through the condenser coil. It was always it was never allowing the head pressure to stay up, even though it's got a fan cycle thermostat over here. It cycles one of the fans at low ambient. It's an adjustable. It still wasn't maintaining a good head pressure. Like I was talking on Facebook in a brotherhood group, it's my opinion that if something's designed OEM, not to just bypass it, cut it out, and fan cycle it. It just seems hackish to me. And my opinion says to go ahead and replace it, put it back how manufacturers designed it to be. So what I'm going to do is, since it's got 3 connections here, it's going to be hard to debraze or unbraze or de-weld all 3 of them and pull it out. I'm going to cut these 7/8 lines here and then over here. Use couplings when I put the new one in, and then I'm going to use a torch to get that 1 3/8 size out.